Oh yeah, baby, we gonna just do a OG, you know what I'm saying? A ninja classic, baby, you know what I'm saying? So you know the Velveeta macaroni and cheese, some buffalo chicken wings, some green beans, some baked beans. That's what we doing today, baby. All right, we're gonna see what this turn into. Let's see what this turn into. Let's see what this turn into. Ooh, now we gotta season up the wings, baby. We gotta season up the wings. It's the seasonings right here, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it simple, but keep it delicious, baby. Keep it simple, but keep it delicious. Ooh, got them boys seasoned. They about to hit the fryer, baby. Gotta hit the fryer, baby. Okay, it's about time to get it rolling. Get the wings going. Get our beans and green beans in there. Get our mac and cheese going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2. Okay, let's get our wings going, baby. Let's get our wings. Time for the pop-pop. Y'all ready for the pop-pop? Time to back up. Oh, baby, let's get in here. We gotta circle the top. Circle the top. Slide them in there. Slide them in there. Circle the top. Yep. Yep. Circle the top. Some boys in there. Get some drums in there. I'm drums. You did get the drums in first. Let's take up all of them space. Hot. Okay, we got a little open area here. Slide him in. Slide him in. Slide him in. Slide him over. There you go. Slide him in right there. Okay, we got FOMO. Slide him in right there. Yeah, we can 18 piece. Take 18 piece. Slide him in. Okay. Okay, get you right there. Slide over a little bit. Make some room. Make some room for my wings. Make some room. Make some room, baby. There we go. Get that heat up there. Make sure our heat stay hot. Perfect. Get the wings going about 3 minutes each side for about 15, 20 minutes. All right. We're going to flip them about 3 minutes. We got to flip these things real quick. So just take your fork and just flip them on. So we'll go around the corner. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get them all flipped over. 3 minutes each side, baby. And if you lose count, just make sure you count, okay? I know I got 18. But I like to go around town. I gotta say it real quick. And come on, baby. Come on, over there. Come over there. Come over there. Come over there. You stop being selfish. Get her over there. Get her over there. Get her over there. Get him over there. Get her over there. Get him and her over there. Get her there. She, him, all of them over there. They're pulling down Japanese. There we go. Now 3 minutes up again. Alright, we got the wings frying looking good in here, baby. Wings frying looking good in here, baby. Alright, we're gonna flip them again here in a second. But now we're gonna work on the Velveeta mac and cheese, baby. Alright, water nice and boiled. Time to toss them noodles in that thing. Oh, that's all you gotta do. You like that, baby. Okay, let's get that flip in there real quick. So look in. There we go. You see that color on there, baby? You gotta do your wings like this. Take your time with your wings, baby. Don't just dump them in the fryer. And so they're gonna be good. They're not gonna be good. They're gonna be all just, not cooked evenly all the way through and not crispy all the way through. And, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look at the wings, baby. Look at them getting good, nice and crispy. Yes, you got that pop going. Gotta have a pop. You gotta have a pop, and I ain't talking about a soda pop either. We also fry in the olive oil, so at a high heat. So, we fry in the olive oil at a high heat. Oh boy, you gotta say that sometimes. You got color on some of these looking good, baby. There we go, looking good, baby. Alright, let's check on our pasta here. So we just got this in here. It's gonna take about a couple minutes to get nice and soft. See what it do? Okay, baby. Alright, look at that color. We about to take these off here. We got Begging Jasper here. He loves chicken wings. You want a chicken wing? Got Begging Jasper here. Begging for a chicken wing. Alright, now we're gonna get these off the pot. Gonna get them off the stove. Begging Jasper, you're not getting none of these chicken wings, bro. You trying to burn your paws? Okay, Jasper trying to burn his paw off. Alright, let's get these chicken wings going, get them off, and get ready for our sauce, baby. Okay, so what you want to do now is take them out, then you want to transfer them to a little something with some paper towel in there just to dry off some of that grease. You go ahead and take them out. Go ahead and toss them in there like that. Get them all out real quick. Get them all out. Shake them out, baby. Shake them out. Shake them out. Shake them out. Begging Jasper. Shake them out. 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 Y'all know I make the best wings in the world. I really do. It's just not hyperbole either. This is real deal Holyfield. Okay, once they're done, they look like that. Chilling little thing. Cover them up for a second. Just get some of that grease off of there. Let them sit for a second, okay? So let them sit for a hot second. All right, now we're gonna move this out of here. We're done with this. Turn that down to a low heat. Boom, we'll be right back, baby. Okay, our pasta is cooked. Got it in our strainer here, perfect. Boom, that's good to go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of garlic salt, baby, and some butter before we put the cheese in there, okay? Garlic salt and butter before we put the cheese in there. So we're gonna take this over here. Boom. Back in pot. Let's get our garlic salt and our butter first. Put you some butter in there. Boom. Perfect. Like that. Hey, one time. Get that butter in there. So have a fire, okay? Get that butter in there. Yeah. Okay. Once we got that butter in there like that, we can then go to our garlic salt. Boom. Put that in there. You can also add some black pepper if you want. It's up to you. All around town. And we're gonna add our cheese sauce there. Like, make sure the noodle by itself tastes good before we get the cheese sauce in there. Yep. Okay, baby. Now we're gonna take our Velveeta. Get it in there. Get it in there, baby. Get it in there. Get all that cheese in there, baby. That's that good stuff. Liquid gold, I ain't never lied. This stuff is good. Oh, okay. Get it all in there, baby. Ooh, now let's just dip it in the pot. Get it in there. Velveeta mac and cheese. Y'all know it's probably some of the best stuff out there. Shout out them for this. I ain't gonna lie, this stuff is good. Everybody like this. Get it all up in there. Nice and squeeze it. Guys, squeeze it. Oh yeah. Nice and cheesy, baby. That is. Yeah, let's give it a little try. Fire. All right, now we gotta check the wing before we sauce it and see what the meat look like inside. See, there we go, all cooked and good to go. Now Jasper loves chicken, so we're gonna give Jasper a piece. Jasper, come here. Jasper, here you go, buddy. It's hot. It's hot. He like, Daddy, hot. Oh, you still bit it? It's hot. Oh, he don't care. He don't care. It's hot. It's hot. You want to just deal with it. It's fresh. You see, it's still steaming, buddy. Gang, gang. I can't give you. It's not cool yet. You gotta wait. It's still hot. Come on. There you go. Take it, buddy. Yeah, you know, stop playing games. Yeah, that's Begging Jasper right there. Boy, love chicken wings. They got the best chicken wings in the world, don't he? Even cats like him. You looking for more, ain't you? Boy, looking for more, what he? Looking for more. He looking for more. Hey, well, let's see. Look at you ain't thinking the old wing. I know old wing. We'll look like more people. All right, now we got our wings right here. Boom. See our wings right here. What we're gonna do now is make our special sauce. So you're gonna take some buffalo sauce, sweet baby rays, in the pot, because you can't sauce your wings unless it's hot. You gotta let this sizzle like that. You don't want to put your wings in cold sauce, baby. Okay. Oh, some ranch. Ooh, put that in there. And then some honey. Hot honey buffalo ranch. Damn, perfect. You gonna stir all that up. Oh, in there. There we go. In there. Like the painting, don't it? Like some good paint, don't it? Some cool paint. Damn, perfect. It's already hot. Like that. You take your wings. It's nice and hot still. Just like this. Oh yeah, in there, perfect. I'm in there. Now you're just gonna take your fork and just sauce them around. Sauce them around, take the color you want. And sauce them there. Sauce them around. Sauce them around. And like I say, it gotta be hot. If it's hot, if it ain't hot, your wing gonna lose its crispiness. Make sure it's nice and hot. Okay, now we got the buffalo wings. Look at it. Good in there, look at that. Look at that buffalo wing, baby. We got our baked beans, our green beans, our mac and cheese. Looking good, baby. Our baked beans, our green beans, our chicken wings, our mac and cheese, baby. Ooh, baby, that's what a meal look like right there. I don't even know. It's time to eat. I'll catch y'all later, baby. I'll catch y'all next time.